Another item to be unboxed at the same time, I will be showing to you the key features of this device. Please do watch till the end. Like and comment as well. By the way, I purchased this through AliExpress app in a very affordable price in just €10. So this is G500 LED wireless charging speaker. Let's unbox this. In my opinion, this sunrise stimulation wake-up light will not work in this device. The rest of the features as written will work. Correct me if I am wrong. Comment is highly appreciated. You have 5 color option, the white, black, blue, green, and the pink. So inside the box is the manual with English and Chinese language. The Type-C charging cable, though it would be better if they give a longer length of this cable. Then this white G500 LED wireless charging speaker. The selling point or the key features of this device are the calling function, wireless charging, light effects, TF card, AUX, and the FM radio, and of course the speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
This light indicator means that the Bluetooth is not yet connected. So these are key buttons of this G500, and I will be showing how it works. Keep on watching. So this serves as a mic if you want to answer phone calls from this device, but it will work only if it is Bluetooth connected. In the box says 10 watts fast charging. Well, let's see later as I test this. And this is the back view with ports and slots. And check this color option that fits your needs. Isn't it great? Then this is speaker test. I'm using full sound of my laptop. For me, it would be great if they added more the bass effect. That will be perfect, as this is one of the selling points of this device. And now we are in the charging test. Mind you guys, I have a big problem putting in a perfect position so it will charge. Unlike with my previous wireless charging speaker, everything worked perfectly. But this, it gives me headache. I'm using iPhone 12 and I'm finding the best possible position so that it will charge, though it works. But when I use my iPhone 10, it works perfectly. Maybe because my iPhone 12 support 15 watts and this is only 10 watts wireless charging. So my iPhone 12 will not work properly. So better check your devices how much watts that supported your phone, especially those flagship phone. Whereas my iPhone X do support 10 watts, so it works perfectly. So here's the key functions. By doing short press means switching between Bluetooth, TF card, USB drive, AUX, and FM.
Bluetooth mode.
This 2 buttons, by doing short press, you can increase or decreases the volume. And by doing long press, you can select going to previous song or forward with another song. Then the M button, by doing long press, means adjusting the light brightness.
some tender.
Then the play pause button. By doing short press, you can pause or answering calls and end the call. And by doing long press, you can reject the call. Then the last part of this video is charging time. If you hear this sound means, then the sound suddenly cut. That are the signals that this device has run out of battery, and it's time to charge. By the way, when charging, the red light appears, and when it is full, no more red light. It's not heavy at all, it weighs only 241 grams. And one of the disappointing is that I recharged this for 30 minutes, and I used only for 30 minutes as well. I'm confused because in my phone says it has 30% battery capacity left, and yet all of a sudden, you will hear that signals and the device turn off. The device is good, not really great, even the build not really cheap. One thing I just want to complain is about the battery. So I suggest if you want to use for longer hours better, it's connected directly electric power source that has the same input volts. Continuously use without interruption. To check why like that, I made a test to check how much battery capacity left. That's why I tested this and the results really disappointing. Mind you guys, for full battery charged, for almost 30 minutes of charging, it has only 25 milliampere hours battery capacity. Isn't it surprising? If my test is wrong, you may comment below. Your comment is highly appreciated. And that's all, guys. If you're still watching till this video, thank you so much.